Happy birthday, Kuya Gids. Good health and more blessings to come. Special day mo today. Hope you had a blast.
Happy birthday, Ninong Gids! Anong birthday wish mo kay Ninong Gids? Sana, Ninong Gids, sa 2026, may baby ka na!
Yay!
Love you, Ninong Gids! Sige, love you, Ninong Gids! You're shy. Sige, happy birthday, Gids!
Happy birthday!
Happy 39th birthday, kids. May all your wishes come true. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Sir Gids! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Gids! Hi, sir. Kamusta po? Sana tandaan niyo pa ako. Kita-kits soon. Happy birthday, sir.
Hello Sir Gids, happy birthday. Kailan tayo? Hindi na tayo nakakapagpapirma ng ano natin Ayun, God bless.
Hello Gids, happy birthday. Kailan tayo mag-inom? Inom na tayo ngayon sa LB Square.
Happy birthday Sir Gids, more MBTC tayo. God bless.
Happy birthday, kids. Sa iyong ika-39 na birthday. Sana ay good health. Bilang iyong kaibigan, sana marami ka pang matulungan at bilang mananampalataya sa inyong Panginoon. Sana ay mas makilala mo siya ng kaibigan.
Hi, Gids! Happy birthday! We're from H2 Cafe. Ba't di ka na nabalik? Bumalik ka na ulit. So, namimiss ka na ng H2. So, andito si Ate Josie and Ate Mai to greet you. Happy birthday! Ay, kamusta na si Carmen? Kamusta na?
Hi kids! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gids!
Pakain ka naman!
Pakain ka naman sa nila!
Baka naman.
Yo!
Happy birthday, Gigs! Painom ka naman!
Oo nga, kumusta ka na?
Tagay na tayo!
Happy birthday, Sir Gideon! Stay healthy. At 39, stay healthy. Sana kilala mo kami sa Dean's Office, sir. O, baka naman.